Next is blend. Okay, before that we'll untick this blend effect. So blend effect is basically here, this is blend. For blend you need to draw two objects. Okay, this is one object I've drawn and this is another object. Go to blend and drag from one object to another object. This is blend effect. I can also fill it with color. Select the first object here, fill it with some color. The last object here, fill it with another color. These are basically the two objects what we have drawn, and we have linked one object to another object, and that linking has changed to blend effect. Okay, this is first object, this is second object. I have linked it with blend effects. If I move the first object, the effects keeps on changing. If I move the this is the first object, sorry, if I move the first object, it keeps changing. Last object, it keeps changing. This is the blend effect what I have given. Now I'll draw another object here and two objects here, and I'll give the same blend effect here to this one. Now let's try and see if we can copy the blend effects from this object to this object. Okay, in Attributes Eyedropper, and I'll copy also along with that. I'll let's only try to copy the blend effects. Okay, I'll untick everything, only the blend effect we'll see. I'll copy the blend effect here and paste it here. So they won't find any difference because I haven't selected any of this particular things. If I select this thing, then only you can see the changes. I'll select all these things along with the positioning. Now I'll copy all the effects, envelope effects. Sorry, this is blend effects. Blend effects. Now I'll see. I'll copy all. We'll just see the only the if it copies only the blend effects. Okay, this Attributes Eyedropper. I'll copy only the blend effects from here and paste it here. See what it has done is it has copied only the color. Okay, it is selected here. That's the reason. We'll try to copy only the blend effects. Okay, the blend effect is a bit complicated because you need to have two objects. When you blend with each other, then only the effects can be copied. Okay, so to understand this thing, first what we'll do is we'll select everything and then understand. We'll select everything, fill, outline, okay, and transformation, will size, rotation, position, everything we'll select, and then we'll see the copying of blend effects. Copy it from here, paste it here. Paste it, this first object, this is second object. Yeah, paste it. See, it has copied the blend effects. Copy the blend effects from here, paste it here. So what it is doing is it's copying as the first object to this first object, the second object to this second object. Draw an object here and copy the blend effects, paste it here. I'll draw another object here and I'll copy the effects, paste it here. So it has copied both the things. Now do some blend effects. I'll try to copy the blend effects from here to here. Okay, this is a bit blend effect is a bit complicated, so as you keep working you will understand the blend copying effects from one object to another object. Okay, we'll delete everything. We'll learn the another this one, another effect copying, that is extrude. We'll select only extrude. Okay, and untick everything. So extrude is here. This is extrude. This is, we have seen, this is something called 3D effect. We'll draw an object. We'll go to extrude and drag your mouse. It gives a 3D effect. Okay. So now we'll draw another object. We'll try to copy this extrude effect to here. Extrude effect on this object. So I'll go to the Attributes Eyedropper. I do not want outline and fill. I do not want any transformations. Just want extrude effects. Okay. Copy it from here, paste it here. See, it has given that extrude effect to this object. If I want all the filling options to be copied on this object, it's very simple. As I've been saying, you just need to tick all these things. Okay, you tick all these things and it copies all the effect. That means the filling of color, the outline color, everything it copies to this object. Just need to tick. I untick this thing, that's the reason it is not copying. Okay, that this is for extrude. And next is untick this contour. You'll see contour effects. Contour effects is here. This is contour effects. Okay, to see what the contour effects, I'll draw an object here. I'll fill it with some color and go to contour here. I'll apply some contour effects. Drag it. See, this is contour effects. It changes the shape. I'll draw another object. Okay, I want to apply the contour effects to this object. I'll go to this Attributes Eyedropper effects. I'll select only contour. Also remember, I select only the contour effects. Okay, the shape what I've changed, that is contour shape, contour effect shape. That only that I've selected. Rest of the things I have unticked because I do not want the color, the fill, the transformation, that is size, rotation, everything I have unticked. Just for you to understand. Okay, what effects are being copied to another object. I'll copy only the contour effects and paste it here. Okay, I'll go to this Attributes Eyedropper, select contour here. Okay, copy it from here, paste it here. Try again. This is object I draw, and this is contour effects. This is the contour effect, sorry. See, in contour effects what it does is it creates another object inside or outside this particular object. Okay, as you drag your mouse, it creates accordingly. Suppose if I drag inside, it creates another object. If I drag outside, it creates another object outside. Drag it inside, it creates another object inside. And the objects, the number of objects, how many you want, that you can change it from here. Okay, this is the contour effect. So you can change it from here. So this is the contour effect applied to this object, and fill it with color. Applied this I have filled it with two different color. Inside is different and outside is different color. Okay, this is the contour effects, and I'll draw another object here, and I want all the contour effects of this object to be applied on this. I'll go to Attributes Eyedropper here. I'll select only contour. The rest of this I haven't selected, filling and everything. Just try to copy the contour effects on this. See, it has given a contour effects to this. Now you can individually fill. If you also want to copy the color options of this object, you can just go to properties, select outline and fill color, press OK, select here and click it here. Along with that, if you want to also copy the size transformation, you can size, or there is no rotation, position. Let's not copy the position, because when you copy the position, it overlaps this object overlaps this one. Okay, let's copy only the size. Okay, copy it here, paste. See, it has given that size. The both are of equal size. So this is contour. I have copied the contour effect. Now we'll see lens effects. The rest of the things we untick. Delete both the object first. We'll draw another object. We will fill it with some color. Fill it with some color, and what we are saying is lens effect. We'll select lens. This is lens. So these are a few of the lens effect options. So these are the lens effects. So this lens effect, you can copy it from one object to another object. Okay. This we can understand if we give some color to this. Now see, what this does is, for this what you need to do is, for lens effect, we'll draw first object here. Okay, or what I'll do is I'll type a text. Okay, Okay, I'll type a text here and I'll draw a circle here. Okay, and I'll apply lens effect to this, brighten. See, what it is doing is I have given some lens effect to this particular object. So as you move this circle over to the any of the text, only the text which is visible within the circle, that brightens. That you can increase or decrease. Apply, increase and decrease the brightening effects. Okay, this way you can increase or decrease the brightening effects. So there are various effects here. These effects you can copy it. Suppose if I want a magnifying glass, I apply it here, so this becomes a magnifying glass. This becomes a magnifying glass. So that effect you can copy. Suppose I will draw an object here, I want this effects, the lens effects to be copied to this. What I'll do is I'll go to Attributes Eyedropper. There is no fill, there's no need to tick this because there is no filling of color or anything else. Size you can copy. Lens, okay, I'll copy the lens effect from here to here. Now suppose I'll move this thing, these effects have been copied to this box. If I move this box on this text, see all the effects has been copied to, the lens effects has been copied to this box. Okay, this way you can copy the lens effect. Okay, I'll delete both the things.